Today is a 100% Walmart haul. What do I mean by that? Tops, bottoms, shoes, and jewelry, all from Walmart. I'm going to style all this into fun summer outfits, and in the corner I'm going to put a little screen snip of what it looks like on the Walmart site as of today. Get this edited and bring it to you so you can get your summer outfits put together with clothing that is in stock, quality, on trend, and affordable from Walmart. So stay tuned.
We love getting killer deals at Walmart, loading up my car.
So I am starting off with these super cute little earrings. They're the Time and True beaded parrot earring, and they're $6.92, and they're just really well done. Just the beading and the choice of colors. They're felt on the back. And this is what started this whole haul. I saw these online and I ordered them right away, and then they were out of stock. Like I said, I was getting my delivery and then my delivery was canceled. So I immediately hit notify me when they're back in stock, and then I started ordering some other things and they came back in stock. So I just think these are just the cutest little earrings, fun and festive for the summer. On top I have the free assembly women's cap sleeve tee. You've seen these from Walmart before, a basic cap sleeve tee. $8. That's a great price, and it is 87% cotton and the rest is spandex. And then I have on these amazing shoes on sale for $13.45. A very basic, you can't go wrong, goes with everything, Time and True Raffia platform slide sandals. $13.45 as of today. And then I paired this all with the free assembly women's belted button front cotton midi skirt, and wait till I back up and you see this. It's available in all the sizes, and it is $26, 100% cotton. Very cute and retro looking. So this skirt does button up front. So this buttons all the way up and down, and then it's got a little metal hook there, so you top button will stay buttoned, and then a belt that comes with it. Adorable. So let me back up and show you how this all came together with these cute little parrot earrings. This is the free assembly cap sleeve tee, as I mentioned, and it is a size small, so you can order true to size. Some Walmart brands are more junior sizes and the tees might run a little small, but I just went ahead and ordered this in my true size. Just for reference, I'm 5'5" and 125 pounds. And again, the skirt is, again, true to size, size small. And these shoes are still available in all the sizes, but I'm a size 8. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining. My name is Lisa, and this channel is Adventures in Styling. And I named it that because I'm having a huge adventure replenishing my whole wardrobe after weight loss about a year and 3 or 4 months ago. I'm so here for summer right now. All the fun stuff has started. Weddings, vacations, farmers markets, and here in Oregon, berry picking and cherry picking. I'm just so here for it. And this outfit is just screams summer fun. So what inspired this one were these little crab earrings. How adorable are these? When I was not getting the parrot earrings because they temporarily ran out of stock, I went ahead and bought these crab earrings. And they are Time and True, and they're $6.92, still in stock. And I'm wearing these with a similar color of shorts. I saw these shorts online on another YouTube, and they're the Time and True women's linen blend shorts, still available in all the sizes except extra small in the pink color that I'm wearing. And there's also 5 other colors, and they're $10.99. And then on top I have the free assembly sleeveless halter tank top, $10. So let's see how all this went together. I will share with you for the tank top. I have on a like strapless cotton fitted bra, which I got from Walmart. So I am not lying. I am head to toe Walmart right now. So these linen blend shorts are a very pretty sort of tweedy pink color, and they are quite oversized. In fact, I think I could size down in these. I normally wear a size 4 pant, and these are a small. The waist is almost there, but the rest of it is pretty baggy. If you've seen these online, I don't think anyone's pointed that out, but I do like the bagginess of them with my shirt out, and I think it's a nice casual, fun summer look. So a quick disclaimer before I go through the rest of the clothes in here. I have learned recently that Some of the Walmart online items have different availabilities in different regions, and in some cases the sale items even have different prices. So I am wearing the Free Assembly Women's Sheared Cotton Mini Dress with puff sleeves, and I had to get this dress when these earrings came back in stock because I feel like it goes with the earrings really well. It originally came in 6 different colors. I can see 2 of them were like patterns. Currently what's left is this color called Clay Dust, which I love. It's almost like a coral, but it's got like maybe some fall colors coming, and it's $19.99 in this color and in black. And once again, Walmart, top to bottom, jewelry and shoes. And so with this dress, I have on these Time and True women's buckle cork platform sandals. And cork is still in. I love it. It reminds me of candies from the 70s. So cork is still in this year. I think it was in last year. And these are $10.62. As far as I can tell, all the sizes are available. And I'm in a size 8. So let me show you how this went together. Put the shoe on here. Now I have the shoe on. This dress is 100% cotton, and now that I have it on, I do feel like it has kind of a junior's look on me, so I'm not sure I'm going to keep it, but I do think it's totally adorable. And I love how it goes with these shoes and the earrings. Just a great length. The top is a little junior sized for me, but what I was able to do was kind of like take this and pull it up. And I think normally I would wear some kind of necklace with this, but I don't have a Walmart necklace, and I promised I was Walmart head to toe. Gosh, Walmart, you've got me so like I don't want to shop anywhere else. These are such great outfits and such great deals and so on trend. What I have on top is the Time and True women's smocked tank top, and I ordered a size medium. I just on a gut feeling did that, and that worked out good. It's a perfect fit. And it comes in 3 colors and 1 kind of pink pattern color, and it's $13.98. Currently, that's the price in my region, and all sizes in my region are available, and I'm in the Pacific Northwest in case you also are in this area. So I am wearing the corked clogs again with this, and the price on these pants is $18, and they come in a green grove color that I'm wearing, and also a navy color, and I am wearing a size 4. So let's see how this all came together. I am just loving this little smock top. So comfortable, light and airy. I do have the same Walmart strapless cotton bra on with it. It's kind of a tube bra, really does the job. And the cargo pants. And the cargo pants are a little longer, like I said, 30 inches, have a functioning cargo pocket, nice deep pockets, kind of a loose fit. The waist is not elastic. I'll look up the fabric here in just a moment. I have a feeling if I got tired of the loose fit on them, or by accident, they could end up shrinking and fitting me just a little bit better. I tend to accidentally shrink things sometimes. So just another fun Walmart casual outfit. This smock top could be worn with a cute little mini skirt, could be worn with skirts, could be worn with black linen shorts, which I just got recently. Could be worn with white linen shorts. Just the possibilities are endless. Now you may have seen this online. I'm going to give you my own take on it. This is the Sofia Vergara strapless women's jumpsuit. It does come with completely detachable straps, so I'm going to show you the strap version first. $26, only available in the largest size and extra small, and I am wearing a small, and I do believe I could go down to an extra small in this. This reminds me of a really cool jumpsuit that I got from Front Door Fashion. So before I compare it anymore, let me take the straps off and show you what it looks like as a strapless. All right, here is the Sofia Vergara strapless jumpsuit in strapless formation. And it does remind me a lot of a nicer quality and more expensive one that I got in a Front Door Fashion box. And if you're new here, I recommend you subscribe because I'll bring you everything from Walmart all the way to high-end clothing sent to me through a styling service called Front Door Fashion, and everything in between like Stitch Fix, Wantable, and JB Style. And I just did a Loft haul. I'm so excited. That was my first one from Loft to bring you. So I do cover the wide range. I have you covered. So with this, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. It just feels like a lot of fabric right here. Just for me, not comfortable with it. To really appreciate and see it as a wide leg, you kind of have to be standing like this all the time. Not something you would do in real life. It does feel nice and airy and comfortable, but it doesn't feel very durable. However, I have loved everything else from this haul. So I hope you enjoyed this too. I'm actually keeping every one of these things that I showed you and wearing these exact same outfits. And I hope you saw some different takes on some Walmart items you might have seen on YouTube or online already, styled a little bit differently, just to give you some creative ideas about how to wear things. And thank you once again, and have a great day.